This is from the 2017 MCAT paper, question 1A. The area A meters squared to be concreted for a pathway and barbecue area is given by the formula A, area, equals xy plus 5y squared. If x is 2 and y is 4, calculate the area concreted. So hopefully looking at that, you'll see that it's substitution. Wherever I see an x, I'm going to put a 2, and wherever I see a y, I'm going to put a 4, and then do what they are requiring us to do. So in this case, I'd have A equals x is 2, so it'll be 2. Now it's timesing by the y, so I'm actually going to put my timesing in now because I've got numbers, plus 5y squared, so that would be 4 squared. You could go times as well, I just like putting brackets. So that's going to give me 8 plus 4 squared is 16 times 5, 6 5s, 31 plus a 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it does tell me it's in meters squared, so I can put my units in there. Awesome. B, solve. Now, 8 and 16 do not have a common factor of 3, so I need to do it the good old-fashioned way. So 3 times 16 is going to give me 6 3s are 18, 1 3 is a 3, 4, 48. So I need to write down all my factors of 48 that add up or subtract to 8. So 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3, 1, 18, sorry, that's a 6, 4 and 12, I'm thinking that might be very useful. Actually, let's think that's probably it. 4 and 12 are going to give me 8. How would I get positive 8? I'd need to subtract the 4 and add the 12. So I could rewrite this as 3x squared minus 4x plus 12x minus 16. Now, what I need to do is factorize. I'm going to factorize the first half. So of those two, I can see that there's a common x, and I'd have 3x minus 4. That's plus common on 12, and there's 4, and that would be 3x minus 4, which I was hoping for. I'm wanting to get a common bracket here, which I'm now going to take out. So 3x minus 4 is common. 3x minus 4 times x, and then plus 4. That is a plus sign. Now, I've forgotten my equals 0 all the time. The whole point of this was, remember, we're changing a plus or minus sum into a multiplication sum. I know that when two things are multiplied together and the answer is 0, one of them must be 0. So 3x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. So this is going to give me 3x equals 4, so x equals 4 over 3. And this one is just going to be x equals negative 4. So I have solved x is either 1 in a third, or 4 over 3, and negative 4. Okay, here I have been given two rectangles put together, or an L shape, and I need to work out the perimeter. Obviously, I'm hoping you remember that perimeter is the length around the outside. So I'm wanting to know what is this length over here all the way around. Now, they haven't given me all the little bits. They didn't give me this little bit here, and they didn't give me this little bit here. Now, this bottom line is obviously going to be 2x minus 1 plus x. So that and that straight down there. However, they've given me this bit over here, but they haven't given me that. Now, I know this whole line is 2x plus 4. And so I'd know that obviously if it was a rectangle, this whole side would be 2x plus 4. So this bit plus this bit is 2x plus 4, so I can cut that out. Hope you got your head around that. If you kind of just think I'm going to pretty much dunk this corner out to, it would still just be that length, but on those two, this is x and that's that over there. So I am going to work out what my perimeter is. So my perimeter is equal to 2x minus 1 plus x, which is that x over there, plus 2x plus 4, which is both of those bits over there, plus 2x minus 1 plus x, which is that whole side there, plus 2x plus 4, which is that side over there. Now that I've got all of those done, I need to add my like terms. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x minus 1 plus 4 is 3, minus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. So the perimeter of the plan in terms of x is 10x plus 6. The area of the plan is 146 centimeters squared. What is the value of x now? In this case, I am going to need to just look at that again. Think of it in terms of two rectangles. So if I've got that little rectangle there, A, and that rectangle there, B, you could have done it differently. It's good to label things. So area of A is x times x minus 1. And the area of B is 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 4. Let's check, was that a plus? Yeah. Okay. So the area, the total area would be A plus B equals 146 centimeters squared. So area equals x squared minus x, so that's just that multiplied in there, plus b would be 4x squared plus 8x minus 2x minus 4, and I know it equals 146. So let's add all my like terms together. X squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared, minus x plus 8x is plus 7x, minus 2x is 5x, and minus 4 equals 146. So now I need to get my 146 over to this side. So it's 5x squared plus 5x minus 150 equals 0. Now luckily for me, I have noticed straight away that there is a factor of 5 in each of my terms. So I'm going to have x squared plus x minus 30 equals 0. So now I'm going to solve. What are my factors of 30 that add or subtract to 1? 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Oh, that's very good. And I've stopped. 5 and 6. I want it to be plus 1, so I'm adding 6 and minusing 5. I've got two values multiplied together to give me 0, so one of them must be 0. So x is either 5 or x is -6. Now, if I look at these over here, if I had a -6, that would make this a negative length, because -6 times 2 is -12, minus 1 is -13. And we're not really worried about direction in our lengths. We don't have a negative length, so it cannot be negative. So what is the value of x? X is 5 centimeters because we cannot have a negative length. So ignore -6. Okay. One more for this one. Ricky thinks of a number n. When Ricky's number is squared, he gets k less than n plus 4. When Ricky's number is squared, he gets k less. So I need to add k equals n plus 4. When Ricky's number is squared, he gets k less, so if I have to add k to make it be the same, equal to n plus 4. When Ricky's number is cubed, the answer is m times n. Okay. So, give an expression for k in terms of m only. So, let's look at these. From 2, I can get m equals n cubed over n, which equals n squared. An expression for k in terms of m only. So, actually what I want to do is have just n on its own. So I've got n squared equals m. So n equals the square root of m. So wherever I see a big N, I'm going to put in my square root of m. Hopefully you're happy with that. So I'm going to substitute n, capital N equals little n square rooted into 1, where I've got my k. So n squared is going to be the square root of m squared plus k equals n, which is the square root of m plus 4. So k equals, now square root of m squared is just m, and so k equals the square root of m minus m plus 4. Write an expression for k in terms of m only. There we go. That was question 1. Hope that was helpful.